Hey, hi, hello everyone. In this video, let's see how to install Node.js. That first open your Chrome browser, navigate to google.com, then type Node.js or Node.js. The first result will come from nodejs.org. Also, you can see if you want to know what Node.js is a cross-platform. It's an open source JavaScript runtime environment. Basically, if you want to run JavaScript, then you need Node.js. Click on Node.js, the first link. Here you will see two options. The version 20 LTS and 21, it's a current. LTS is long-term support, so that is recommended for most users, right? As we see already, Node.js is a open source. It's a cross-platform JavaScript runtime environment. Okay. I'm gonna click on other downloads, so we can see we can do this in Windows, Mac, right? In Windows, I'm using 64-bit machine, so I'm gonna click on 64-bit. This site automatically detects our OS version, so if you click here, it will automatically download. Otherwise, you can click on other downloads and you can come to the specific download option which you need. I'm gonna click on against Windows installer. I'm gonna click on this 64-bit. The download is started. It's a simple download. It's 25 MB only. It's completed. It's Node version 20 KX64 MSI file it is. I'm gonna click on the file. Okay, I clicked on the setup exe file. Welcome to Node.js setup wizard. It's a Node.js setup screen. Click on next. Okay, it's a end user license agreement. Read the following license agreement carefully and scroll the license agreement completely and select the checkbox. I accept the terms in the license agreement. Click on next. So this Node.js is gonna be installed to this place. See program files Node.js. I'm good with that. If you want to change, click change and select the location where you want to install. Click next. Okay, so click the icons in the tree. So what at all will be installed during this setup? So it will install the core Node.js runtime. Means Node.exe will be installed and path will be added. NPM package manager, core package manager and all will be installed. Okay, this features request 66 MB in our hard drive. Fine. If you need only 66 MB in order to install Node.js in your machine, click on next. It is asking me to select this pop-up, automatically install the necessary tools. Currently, I don't want to install anything some tools like Visual Studio Build tools, so don't select this checkbox. I'm clicking next again. Okay, click install to begin the installation. So we are good to the installation. Click install. It is from OpenJS Foundation. The installation also is very fast. Okay, now click the finish button to exit the setup. Has been completely installed successfully. Okay, click on finish button because Node.js installation is successful. Now, if you want to know whether Node.js is installed successfully or not, yeah, you can verify it in command prompt. Open your command prompt. I clicked on Windows R, then type cmd, click enter. This opens your command prompt. Here type node hyphen hyphen version. Enter. It will say like this is the node version, node 20.10.0. This is the LTS version we installed just now. So node is installed now. It's a successful installation. Thanks.